Have you ever seen one of those YouTube videos and you can tell right away it's like AI and you kind of switch it away? Well, people have that same feeling when they see AI writing. Like they can detect it right away, just like when your mama can catch you in a lie. You catch it in about 2 seconds, you know something's off, you know it's not a person, and you're out of there. Because AI writing has those same tells with those overpolished words, those cliches, the things that everybody know about, here's what nobody really tells you. It's very easy to tune your system so you turn it off. Now, we're not talking about complicated prompts. We're not talking about a lot of stuff that you need to do. And it doesn't matter if today is your first day with Claude or any other AI tool for that matter. If you've been using this for a month and you never really set this up, this one is for you. Stick around. This is day 2 of summer school where I'm showing people, regular people, non-nerds, how to get down with the AI so that can actually get work done. Now, most people think the way to fix this is one message at a time. Every time it writes something and it reads like a brochure, you go back and you say, hey, fam, can you make this sound like a human? None of my friends talk like that. And you keep doing this time to time to time, and it's not a problem you can solve at one time. There is actually a secret scroll resource that is a Wikipedia page, Wikipedia page that is called Signs of AI Writing. This joint right here is absolute gold mine, and it is written by real humans, and it is constantly updated. So because somebody, bunch of nerds, have already gone in here and said, these are all of the things that are the telltale signs of AI writing, we can go ahead and nip that sucker in the bud right away. And no roses was harmed during the making of this video. That's not what I mean when I say nip it in the bud. Think of this AI writing thing here on Wikipedia like it's a scouting report on the weird stuff that AI is doing. And because people have already set this up, we can get you trained away right away. So now here's the play, and you can run this in about 3 minutes. The first thing you want to do is grab the link to the article, which I will put in my clipboard right now. I will copy that in, and then we're going to bounce over to Claude. So now we're here in Claude. I got a freshy Claude. I'm using a basic free plan right quick so you can know you don't even have something fancy. I'm going to go ahead and paste in this Wikipedia link because we need to have that right there. Now I'm going to paste in this prompt. This is the prompt right here. Take a second to screenshot this. I will place it in the description. The prompt basically says, read this article on the signs of AI writing. Turn it into a clear set of rules written as instructions to you so your writing never sounds like these tells. Keep it tight and plain, no jargon, and write it so I can paste it straight into my settings. Now, this is the part where I normally would press the button, but I've already done this. I'll show you in a second. All you need to do is whatever Claude gives you, read it. Anything that doesn't sound like you cut it, anything that it missed, add. If you have your own specials or your own particulars, you add it and you just put those in there, and we're going to paste it into a section on Claude that's called your settings. This is how you make it yours. Now, there is an important thing before we get here. A lot of people skip the step that I'm about to show you because they actually try to paste these rules in one chat at a time and they end up losing them or they forget some things. But if you put it in the instructions, Claude will read it every time. And again, you can always update these instructions because later on, I'll show you how the memory works in order to get it work. So here's a simple playbook. Let's jump back over to Claude and I'll show you where it lives. So if I were to click on my little dot down here and go to settings, there are my AI rules. Let's scroll up a little bit. So here's mine. I have a bunch in there and I've actually added some of my own special things. Like I tend to speak in hip hop vernacular, as you know. I tend to quote, 80s, 90s, 2000s hip hop. Those things are also added to my list. And one of the other things that you can do as you get in here is you can say after it's finished, here are some of the things that I often find myself saying. Here's some colloquial words that sort of matches my environment. Like it knows the Hawaii words that I use all the time. Claude's a genius. Like it kind of figured these out. So now all you need to do is do a quick mic check before you go live. Take something that you asked Claude to write, read it like an email, a video description, read it out loud. Does it sound like you or does it sound like a press release? And remember, if you're like type of student who likes to skip class and jump ahead, if you have a bunch of things that you've written, you can actually paste those documents into Claude or drag the documents into Claude and say, look at this, compare it against to my writing rules, take these writing style and also add it to your instructions. And because of Claude's memory, it will be able to do this too. So here's the link to the article. Again, I'm going to put it in the description and now you're locked in before the next class. So number one, mahalo for being here. Summer school is where I'm going to teach regular folks. You don't got to be a nerd. Regular first. I don't care whether you've been doing this for a hot minute or whether you're brand new to Claude or any other AI bot. come in and watch this. I guarantee you're going to learn something and you can get down with the get down. Please share this with somebody. I want to help as many normal people get their act together when it comes to using AI, because I am so sick of people selling all kind of crazy stuff that just confuses you. I want you to be normal like me. You know what I say? I don't know who needs to see this, but if it was you, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, press the like button, press the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss. Remember, all the summer school joints will live in this playlist, so go and check out the next video. And right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video they think you should watch, and I agree with them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.